Then students, the next thing is that the graph. This shows the graph paper. Easily we can see on the graph sheet x-axis and y-axis. O is the origin position. So here the very small the box is a small division, a small box, small square box, and one that means a larger box, larger square. So one larger square is that means is a combination of 10 by 10 small boxes. So also we can take this scale, one small box or a bigger box. We can take bigger box 1 centimeter. So also we have to take a that means proper scale to plot any data on the graph paper. So here that means we use different types of the graphs to represent the data, like the bar graph. Use the bar graph to represent the different data, and we use the that means pie charts to represent the data. Here pie chart, that means pie chart shows the distribution of the gases, percentage distribution of the gases on the pie chart. After that, this one is what? This one is line graph. So line graph is also used to present the changing data. That means if the data is changing continuously, so we use the line graph to depict the changes. Okay. So also we use this graph to represent the time and distance. Okay. So the first this graph, this x-axis, that means time graph. X-axis is time line, and the y-axis is the distance. So vertical axis is that means distance axis, and the horizontal axis is uh, time axis. So easily here we can see the line is straight line. This straight line shows that the body is moving constantly, means uniformly. Body is moving uniformly. So if body is moving uniformly, we'll get the straight line, because body is covering equal distances in equal interval of time. Okay. After that, this shows this graph shows the body is stationary, means body is at the rest. If the body is at the rest, we'll get the parallel line parallel to the x-axis, means parallel to the time axis. This graph shows the body is stationary body. Okay. After that, the next thing is that here we can understand the two A and B, 2 points, two bodies we have taken. One the we have one body is that means A, and second body is B. This one is the speed of the body A and B. So easily here we can see the body A, that means covers body A is faster. How can we say that body A is faster? Because body A covers that means larger angle. It makes the larger angle from the time axis, so its slope is larger. Larger angle body A covers means it has the larger slope. How can we get the slope? Slope, that means here we can get the slope, because here the three bodies slope shows that means slope ax, that means distance. It is the ratio of distance of y-axis divided by distance of x-axis. Means if a body is covering, that means for body A the slope is that means ax by ox, and for body B the slope is that means by oy. So in this way we can find, means slope is what? Slope is the ratio of the x-axis divided by y-axis divided by x-axis. So in this way we can find the slope. Or in this picture, that means also we can find the slope, and we can understand the slope, because body A, that means covers, it makes the greater angle with the time axis, so body A is faster. Means the slope of body A is greater, so body A is faster. Means larger angle shows the larger slope. So the body A, that means body A is faster than body B. This picture shows body A is faster than body B, because the angle of body A is greater than the body B. So after that, the next thing is that here is the in these two pictures, that means accelerating and deaccelerating. Accelerating means body is this. So first picture shows the the graph of increased speed. When speed is increasing continuously, speed is increasing continuously, the first picture show the increased speed and second picture show the decreased speed. Means accelerating means increased speed, and deaccelerating, that means decreased speed. Upward curve and downward curve. Upward curve shows the increased speed and downward curve shows the decreased speed. Okay, so all the best.